In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode on your website using Hostinger's H-Panel. This is a useful feature for when you're making significant updates to your site and want to temporarily restrict access. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log in to your Hostinger H-Panel. If you're not familiar, the H-Panel is Hostinger's user-friendly interface where you manage your hosting and website settings. Ensure you have your credentials ready, but remember to keep this information secure and private to protect your site. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a range of options at your disposal. Now, let's head over to the Websites section. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites associated with your account. Scroll through your list and find the site you'd like to put into maintenance mode. Once you've located it, click on the Edit Website button. This will open up the Website Builder, which is your control center for making changes to your site's design and functionality. Inside the Website Builder, you'll notice a navigation menu with various tabs and options. What you want to do next is look for either the Pages or the Site Settings section. These sections are essential because they handle most of the functional and visual changes you can make to your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with how everything is laid out if this is your first time here. Once you're in the right section, you want to keep an eye out for either password protection or maintenance mode. These options are typically found under Site Settings, but depending on how your builder is configured, they might be located elsewhere within the menu. This feature is quite handy as it allows you to either keep guests off your site entirely or provide restricted access only to those with the right credentials. Once you've found the option you need, the next step is to enable it. In most interfaces, this is simply a toggle or a checkbox. When turning on maintenance mode, you might have the option to customize the message your visitors see when they try to access your site. If so, this is a good opportunity to communicate clearly with your audience, perhaps letting them know when you expect the site to be available again. Finally, after making these changes, it's crucial to remember to publish them. This ensures that your maintenance mode settings are applied, and anyone visiting your site will be greeted with your message rather than your usual website content. Look for the Publish button, usually located at the top of the Builder interface. Click on it, and you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled maintenance mode on your website via Hostinger's H-Panel. This will provide you with the peace of mind to make necessary updates without the worry of visitors encountering unfinished changes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.